ilibutin natin. I got the right.
Okay.
Ay, dito tayo mag-start po yung 1.
O yan, may number pala 3. O, asan na naman si Lalabs? Lalabs, mawala ka na naman, ah.
Number 3. Masok tayo nagsasalita. Makinig lang tayo. Para alam natin yung sinasabi.
Okay.
And now let's talk about the construction. See, there's the lake, the water all around. And so the castle was built on a rocky island. It's about 100 meters long, 50 meters wide, has an oval shape, and that's why they had to build the castle with the same form. Normally, as the old castle has but here it was not possible. And finally, this shape was practical, to split the castle in 2 parts or 2 functions. So here, if you look first to the lake side, what can you see in the castle? Big windows, balconies. Exactly. So this was the luxury residential part where the people used to live because the lake here was a protection. And the other side looks completely different. What can you see here, the land side? Defense. Exactly. This is the fortress part, entirely dedicated to the defense with the towers, the governing close to the loopholes.
Ano yun? Alin po? Yung?
Ay, kasi ito po.
Ano nila yung wine nila? Clos de Chillon. Ayan, sarili lang wine.
Wow.
May wine silang sarili. I-close this Chillon.
Very nice. Galing. Very nice. Oh, pang ano to? Uy, Lalab, huwag kang tumalon dyan, oy. Huwag kang tumalon, oy. Ang phone mo. Mahulog.
Hawak ng mabuti. Doon ka mag-prison.
Ayun.
Oh, si Kuya.
Tingnan mo, oh, yung lubid.
Ano yan? Bibigti?
Oo nga.
Si Kuya.
Oh,
Dito sila nagsisentence to death.
kaya pala may lubid.
Ayan si Kuya. Oo. Kuya, huwag kang tumalan ha. Tapos dito sila nagbibigti guys.
Diyan pala, no.
Ito yung ano nila. Bigtian guys.
Ha? Hindi na wala naman naka, ano.
Kaya nga hindi ko pinapakita yung mga ano, yung mga ganyan. Kasi yung details wag mong papakita.
Ay, ganun.
Kumbaga, syempre kabuhayan nila yun. Tapos ito naman, ay, may pataas pero sarado.
Sarado.
Hindi na ako kilala. Ano ba? Ba't napanagkas ng ano? Ito din. Dito rin prison, oh. Dito sa may torture chamber.
Oo nga, no.
Bonnivard's prison.
Prison de Bonnivard.
Kuya, huwag ka magtatarong ka ano dyan, chain. Ayun na. Si Kuya na ang bagong prisoner.
Mm.
Byron. Ito yung ginagawa ng pangalan na
เหมือนเขาอาจจะเข้มข้นไงในการเขียนใน
Byron. Kinarve niya sa wall.
Yan yung mga ano, yan siguro yung mga iba din, oh, may call.
Di ba pag tayo, di ba sa mga kulong nagkakart sila ng pangalan?
Paano ba yan inanin nila na ang bato ng
Hindi ka makakatapos dyan.
Mm-mm.
Ton Maza.